Absolutely. The Museo Leonardo da Vinci in Rome is indeed a captivating destination that beautifully showcases the multifaceted genius of Leonardo da Vinci. Here are some highlights and tips to enhance your visit to the museum. Interactive displays. The museum features numerous interactive exhibits that allow visitors to engage with Leonardo's inventions. These hands-on experiences help bring his ideas to life and provide a deeper understanding of his contributions to engineering and technology. Detailed replicas. You can marvel at meticulously crafted replicas of Leonardo's machines, such as flying devices, war machines, and various mechanical inventions. These replicas are based on his original sketches and drawings, offering an accurate representation of his visionary concepts. Anatomical studies. Leonardo's groundbreaking work in anatomy is also a focal point of the museum. Detailed models and multimedia presentations illustrate his studies of the human body, highlighting his immense contributions to medical science. Artworks. While the museum may not house original paintings, it does feature high-quality reproductions of Leonardo's most famous works, such as the Mona Lisa and The Last Supper. These reproductions are often accompanied by insightful commentary on their composition and historical significance. Multimedia presentations. The museum utilizes modern technology to enhance the visitor experience. Multimedia presentations and video installations provide context and background on Leonardo's life, his diverse interests, and his enduring legacy. Tips for visiting. Plan your visit. The museum is located in the heart of Rome, making it easily accessible. Check the museum's website for current opening hours and any special exhibitions or events that may be taking place during your visit. Guided tours. Consider joining a guided tour if available. These tours can provide a deeper insight into Leonardo's works and the historical context of his innovations. Allow sufficient time. Allocate enough time to thoroughly explore the exhibits. The interactive nature of the museum means that there's a lot to see and do, and you won't want to rush through it. Educational resources. Take advantage of any educational materials or resources provided by the museum. These can enhance your understanding and appreciation of Leonardo's work. Combine with other attractions. Given its central location, you can combine your visit to the Museo Leonardo da Vinci with other nearby attractions in Rome.